Have you ever thought about your personal branding in relation to your leadership role? Many of the people who come to us have never even thought about that, and they haven't purposely and consciously, intentionally created their personal brand. Now, this is not just about how you look, the clothes you wear, what you say. It's who you're being on the inside, and is there congruence with what you're exuding to other people. So we have this free 90-minute masterclass coming up real soon. Click on the button, register now, and we will take you through 3 different things. So instead of confusion, you will have clarity around what is your authentic leadership brand. You will be able to bust through the fear and have a step-by-step process to bust through that fear of what will other people think of me and how will they see me if I'm being authentic. And the third thing that we're going to look at is we're going to look at the consistency of how you can build your brand going forward. So don't miss around, don't miss this, don't mess around. Make sure you click on the link and register now. And Christine and I look really forward to working with you real soon on this 90-minute masterclass coming up, personal branding as an authentic leader. Click on the link, don't miss out.